turn off.
And you kind of see how it glows in the dark.
Now we're gonna squish it. Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures Learning. I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're gonna be doing the glow-in-the-dark bouncy egg.
Yes, the glow in the dark bouncy egg. So stay tuned. Okay, Corban, so what do we need?
A measuring cup, one cup.
Measuring cup.
A bowl.
All right, we got a glass bowl there.
Egg.
A white egg. And what else?
A plastic cup.
Well, a glass jar.
It's gonna be see-through.
Okay, glass jar.
A highlighter.
Highlighter.
Some gloves.
Yep, some gloves.
A flashlight.
Yep, that's a black light flashlight.
Black light.
Yep. And what's the last thing?
Some vinegar.
Vinegar. All right, let's get
started.
started.
So vinegar is right here.
All right, so the first step is we have our highlighter here, and I'm going to use this screwdriver here to take out the, I guess the felt tip in here. So we're going to do that. I'm going to try to remove this top white part. All right, so I have taken this white top part off of the highlighter here, and now Corban's going to pour it into the glass bowl. Just like that. Yep. Let it fall. All right, now we'll go to the next step.
Even this one.
All right, so the next step is we have 1 cup of vinegar here, and Corban's gonna pour that vinegar into the glass bowl with the felt tip there. All right, and now we're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes, and we'll be right back.
Look, guys, turning white.
Turning white there? Yeah. It's in the vinegar, yep. So it's turning a little bit white. All right, so we're gonna go to the next step. And Corban has on his gloves there. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna pick up the felt tip here and we're gonna squeeze some of the yellow out into the vinegar.
I'm gonna do now.
Yep, go ahead. And hold it over the, yeah, hold it over. Good job.
Oh, look at the vinegar, guys.
Yeah, we'll show them. So Corban is squeezing it out. Good job. All right, let's see if I, oh, look, Corban, look.
What? What?
Coming out, it's coming out.
It's coming out.
This is how it looks once we
stir it.
squeezed all that highlighter ink in. So Corban's gonna stir it slowly. Just to mix it in. And then we're gonna go to the next step. Corban, what's the next step?
And we're gonna put this in there.
Yeah, but first what do? We put the egg in that
container.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna put this in there.
Yes, so we put the egg in that glass jar, and now we're gonna put that vinegar in with the egg. All right.
My face went down, right?
All right, Corban, so what do you see? What do you observe?
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Oh yeah, we see the bubbles there around the egg, right? All right, so now we're gonna let this sit for how long?
2 days.
For 2 days.
Hi, we're back. It's been 2 days.
All right, we've taken the egg out, and let's see how it looks. Let's get a close-up. Whoa. Ooh, it's bouncy. Let's see. All right. All right, so now what are we gonna do, Corban?
Make it glow in the dark.
All right, so we gotta go to a dark place so it can glow in the dark.
We're gonna go to the bathroom.
Yeah, we'll go to the bathroom where there's no window, so stay tuned. All right, we're in the bathroom. It's pretty dark in here. I'm shining the black flashlight here, and you kind of see how it glows in the dark. So Corban's gonna take it.
Now we're gonna squish it. Okay, ready?
there's your glow-in-the-dark egg. All right, that's our glow-in-the-dark. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.